to the representative of International Lawyers Organization. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. The International Lawyers in Geneva International Center for Justice would like to reiterate the previous appeals about the dire human rights situation in Iraq. The Iraqi government has failed to comply with its obligations under international law to take measures to protect civilians and provide them with the basic needs. The Iraqi people are subjected to arbitrary arrest, torture, and then forcibly disappeared at the hands of the government forces and its affiliated militias. Under the pretext of fighting terrorists, many cities have been destroyed. This renders the return of about 2 million people to their homes impossible. No reconstruction is going on due to the high levels of corruption at all official levels. Mr. President, we also remain concerned about the failure of states to respond to the opinions of working groups on arbitrary detention and enforced disappearances by bringing their actions into conformity with their international legal obligations, in particular the case of Iraq. We regret, for example, that both the United States and Iraq continue to allow Mr. Shawki Ahmed Omar to be held in excess of 15 years in arbitrary detention without access to his lawyer or his family, and apparently subject to torture, cruel and inhumane treatment after an unfair trial. The responsible governments cannot be allowed to cover up their human rights abuses. We urge both the working groups to take all necessary steps, including visiting persons who have been allegedly subject to human rights violations, to address the horrendous situations and ensure respect for the applicable international law. Thank you.
Thank you, Nagid.